Remove screws on both sides. Start remove screws. Place gaskets. Install the left bracket. Secure it with screws. Reinforce with an Allen wrench. Repeat for the right side. Install and tight waterproof cap. Prepare roll pads with a lighter. Fold and thread through the bracket holes. Make sure the ropes are parallel and not twisted. Put the left rope on top. Put the right one over the left rope and thread it out from the back. If you need to give it more slack, now it's time to do it. Each time, start with the rope under the knot. Repeat this step. Handle rope ends.